Then the last thing I want to do is to practice reading numbers off of this table. Our first question is, what is the total cost of producing 35 cakes? All I have to do is find 35 cakes. In order to produce 35 cakes, I've got to hire 2 workers. And I'm going to come over to my total cost column, and I see that the total cost of that would be $140. Right. The next question is a little trickier. What is the marginal cost of producing the 40th cake? You look here at your cakes column and there is no 40 here. The first thing we have to think about is who produces the 40th cake. Okay. This here tells me the number of cakes I get depending on how many workers I hire. So I see if I hire 2 workers, I'm only getting 35 cakes. The third worker will produce the 40th cake. The third worker produces cake number 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, so on. So the first thing that I need to note here is that the third worker produces the 40th cake. Then I can come over across here. Third worker is producing the 40th cake. And what is the marginal cost of that cake? It is $6. Perfect. Now for one that's a little bit simpler, what's the average total cost of cakes if you hire 5 workers? So I've hired 5 workers. I produced 53 cakes. On average, each of those cakes will cost $6 to produce. So the average total cost of hiring 5 workers, the average cost per cake will be $6. Notice that the marginal cost of those cakes is much higher, right? The marginal cost of the cakes produced by the 5th worker is $20 per cake. Average total cost will be useful. So is marginal cost. They tell us 2 different things about the firm's cost structure, and they can help us think in 2 different ways about the firm's behavior.